Chart legends printed in capital letters show that the associated landmark is answer conspicuous. Number 220. A chart with a scale of 1/80,000 would fall into the category of A. Answer coastal chart. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, and click the notification bell, for you will be updated for our next upcoming video.